Welcome to our tutorial on how to mute calls from a specific friend in Snapchat. With the latest update, Snapchat has made it easier for users to control their notifications. Follow these simple steps on your Android device to mute calls from a specific friend. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Then, navigate to the chat with the friend you want to mute. Next, press on the friend's name at the top of the chat screen. This will bring up a menu with options. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with more settings options. Select Chat and Notification Settings from the menu. Then, tap on Notification Settings to access more specific notification options. Finally, toggle the switch for Mute Calls to turn on this feature for that specific friend. This will ensure that you no longer receive notifications for calls from this friend. That's it. You have successfully muted calls from a specific friend in Snapchat. Enjoy a more peaceful chatting experience without unwanted interruptions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.